To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, press and hold your profile icon in the bottom right corner. A menu will appear from the bottom. Tap Add Instagram Account. You can either create a brand new account, or log into an existing one if you already have another account. A list of accounts you have logged into on this device will appear. You can select any of these, or tap Use another profile to log into a different account. Now, enter the username, email, or mobile number associated with the account. Next, enter your account password. And finally, tap the Login button. You can choose whether to save your login information or not. You will then be signed into the account, and gain access to all the features associated with it. To switch back to the previous account, press and hold your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then select the account you want to switch to. You can add up to 5 accounts on a single device. Notifications are separated by account, so you won't get confused. So that's how you can add and manage multiple accounts on Instagram.